Unavailable of intelligence system to monitor plant performance, from to informative process safety documentation, is an unsolved issue in process safety management. Unavailable of intelligence system to transfer tacit knowledge to next generation, is also an unsolved issue in every plant. Predictive intelligence system is the only solution to handle unsolved issue in process safety management. This intelligence system is able to implement process lesson learned from previous process incident investigation. This intelligence system can advise panel operator verbally, as per operating procedure. This intelligence system also contributes in layer of protection analysis to reduce alarm rate. Predictive intelligence system is a computer-aided program that able to analyze complicated plant performance and provide descriptive advice with voice before plant upset. It is developed by Macro Visual Basic Programming Language and Microsoft Excel interface. This program is designed user-friendly for any computers, without additional software installation. It has the ability to extract live operating data from plant information database, and auto-update in every 30 seconds for complicated plant performance analysis. When process deviation is predicted, predictive intelligence system would show the descriptive advice on computer screen, and advise panel operator verbally.
The set point of PIC 31B must be 0.5 bar below PIC 31A, to prevent flaring unnecessary. Please close the LP recycle valve of propane compressor in Module 6 to prevent gas turbine high loading. Please recover flaring from the overhead of HPMR separator to fractionation unit via PIC 200 controller in Module 6. High flash gas is observed in Module 4. Please inject 1 kg of anti-foam to prevent foaming proactively. Please resume back the scrub column and let temperature set point in Module 5 to -4 degrees Celsius due to too lean feed gas composition.
All the advice would be recorded automatically inside alarm database in chronological format for troubleshooting, continuous improvement and training purpose. It can even advise panel operator during silent hour, to avoid process safety incident happen, minimize production stoppage, and reduce flare wastage. Intelligence alarm is different with common alarm. Existing alarm system work mechanically, where flow alarm is only monitored flow with rigid set point, and considered lagging indication. However, intelligence alarm would monitor more than 2 operating parameters from knowledge-based expert system, and consider leading indication prior to reach alarm set points. Example of intelligence alarm, is to monitor dew point of propane vapor at the suction of compressor. Existing alarm system is unable to simulate actual dew point that varies accordingly to pressure and temperature. But intelligence alarm can. Intelligence alarm is able to avoid condensation occurred inside compressor to assure mechanical integrity. In August 2016, Module 1 and Module 2 tripped in total 3 times on suction a drum to high level. From process investigation, this issues happened were because the dew point operated in liquid region, when reducing LNG production. From now onwards, when I detect the dew point operated in liquid region, I will alert panel operator to take necessary action.
The dew point of propane HP suction drum in Module 2 is operating in liquid region. Please adjust the propane compressor recycle valve or HP chiller load accordingly.
Besides, the dew point monitoring can also use to predict the purity of propane in the refrigerant system. Another example of intelligence alarm is to predict hydrate formation at the raw feed gas intake, as per recommendation in process hazard analysis. Hydrate formation can be predicted by considering delta pressure across gas metering knockout drums, intake temperature, and moisture content in feed gas. In March 2015, all the level control valves of 4 gas meter knockout drums were unable to operate and resulted in too high level. From the process investigation, all the operating conditions during that time were met for hydrate formation. From now onwards, when I detect all the conditions fulfill hydrate formation in gas metering station, I will advise.
Please increase GMS DUA, pressure controller set point, and further increase LNG production to mitigate hydrate formation in the gas metering station of MLNG DUA.
Predictive intelligence system is able to avoid hydrocarbon leaks from the flange of critical isolation valve, after module shutdown. The valve is to isolate between refrigerant flow from main cryogenic heat exchanger shell side, and suction a drum to refrigerant compressor. From the investigation, this LOPC is due to huge temperature difference between upstream and downstream of the isolation valve, after module shutdown. When the predictive intelligence system detects the delta temperature above 20 degrees Celsius after module shutdown, I would alert panel operator verbally.
Please defrost either side of HIC19 after Module 3 shutdown, as the delta temperature across the isolation valve has increased above 20 degrees Celsius.
It is not feasible to install temperature controller across the isolation valve, because both upstream and downstream defrost gas valves are operated manually on site. Since the implementation of predictive intelligence system in 2018, the leak never happened again in subsequent shutdowns. As of time being, no such intelligence program is available in the market. The design is very user-friendly, for all computers, that accessible to Microsoft Excel, and Plant Information Database. Users are not required to install additional software, with very minimum investment cost. It has no promotion plan, and no retired scheme. Once it's implemented in panel room, it will keep on monitor until endless. We are proud to announce that Predictive Intelligence System has been chosen as finalist in ICME Awards Malaysia 2019, under Process Safety category. ICME Awards are a prestigious event, which recognizes excellence in the fields of chemical engineering. The winner will be announced on 14th of October, at the Sheraton Imperial Hotel in Kuala Lumpur, during the ICME Malaysia Awards dinner.